Present simple. Do you want to sound natural in English? Start with present simple. Let me help you explain it to you simply. We use it for habits, facts, and daily routines or routines in general. For example, I drink tea every morning. I drink tea every morning. You work hard. You work hard. He studies medicine. He studies medicine. She reads every night. She reads every night. It rains in April. It rains in April. We live in Baghdad. We live in Baghdad. They play football on Fridays. They play football on Fridays. I want you to comment your daily habit in present simple. I promise you, I will give you feedback and comment on what you say. Present continuous. What are you doing now? That's present continuous. Simply. I can help you if you stick to the end of this video. We use it for actions that are happening now. I am studying. You are listening. I'm studying. You're listening. He is sleeping or he's sleeping. He is sleeping. She is cooking. She is cooking. It is raining. It is raining. We are learning English. We are learning English. They are talking outside. They are talking outside. Write what you're doing now using I am. Present perfect. I have never been to Paris. I have never been to Paris. Present perfect. This is present perfect magic. We use it for experiences and recent actions. Again, we use it for experiences and recent actions. I'll give you an example. I have eaten sushi. By the way, you can say I have not eaten sushi. You have met her. You have met her. He has finished work. He has finished work. She has lost her phone. She has lost her phone. It has stopped raining. It has stopped raining. We have traveled a lot. We have traveled a lot. We have traveled a lot. They have arrived. They have arrived. Write something you have done in your life that you're proud of. Future simple with will. This is one of the common tenses in English. Do you want to make a promise or a plan? Again, do you want to make a promise or plan? Use will. For future decisions and predictions, we use will. I'll give you an example. I will help you. I will help you. I will help you. You will see soon. You will see soon. He will come late. He will come late. She will study medicine. She will study medicine. It will be easy. It will be easy. They will travel. They will travel. They will succeed. We will travel. We will travel. We will travel. They will succeed. Write your will sentence in the comments. Talking about future plans, say going to. We use this for decisions we already made. For example, I'm going to eat out. I'm going to eat out. You're going to call her. You're going to call her. He is going to fix it. He is going to fix it. She is going to travel. She's going to travel. It is going to break. It is going to break. We are going to meet. We are going to meet. They're going to win. They're going to win. They're going to win. What are you going to do this week? What are you going to do this week? Leave it in the comment section. Past simple in English is a tense we use it to talk about past. We use it to talk about yesterday, for example. So we use past simple for finished actions in the past. I'll give you an example. I watched a movie. I watched a movie. You called me. You called me. He walked home. He walked home. He walked home. She danced in the party. She danced in the party. It stopped suddenly. It stopped suddenly. We visited Basra. We visited Basra. They played chess. They played chess. They played chess. Share with me one thing you did yesterday. Thank you very much. Past continuous. I was sleeping when it happened. That's simply past continuous. We use it for past actions in progress. Again, we use it for past actions in progress. I'll give you examples. Stick around. I was reading. You were driving. He was running. I was reading. You were driving. He was running. She was singing. She was singing. It was barking. It was barking. We were laughing. We were laughing. We were laughing. They were studying. They were studying. What were you doing last night? What were you doing last night? Answer me in the comments and share this video. In English, we have something called past perfect continuous. For example, I had been waiting for hours. I had been waiting for hours. This sounds fluent and real. Use it for long actions before something in the past. Again, use it for long actions before something in the past. I'll give you an example. I had been driving all night. I had been driving all night. You had been working hard. You had been working hard. You had been working hard. He had been running. He had been running. She had been thinking. She had been thinking. She had been thinking. It had been snowing. It had been snowing. It had been snowing. We had been talking. We had been talking. They had been planning. They had been planning. Write a long action before another past event in the comment or share the video, and I'm going to give you feedback on that one. Do you want to explain what happened before something else? We use past perfect. I'll explain. For earlier actions in the past, or when there are two events in the past, one of them happened before the other. I'll give you an example. Again, I had eaten before they came. So my eating was before their coming. I had eaten before they came. I had eaten before they came. You had left early. You had left early. You had left early. He had studied a lot. He had studied a lot. She had called me. She had called me. It had started raining. it had started raining. We had packed everything. We had packed everything. We had packed everything. They had finished lunch. They had finished lunch. Comment with a past perfect sentence, and I will give you feedback if it is correct or not. But it should be very interesting one. Let's talk about present perfect continuous. It focuses on duration. If you want to focus on duration, use this tense. For example, actions that started in the past and still continue. I will give you an example if you are patient with me. I have been working all day. Of course, in spoken English, that seems a little bit faster. I have been working all day. I've been working all day. You've been studying since 5 a.m. You've been studying since 5 a.m. He has been sleeping 4 hours. He has been sleeping 4 hours. She has been crying. She has been crying. She has been crying. It has been raining all week. It has been raining all week. We have been waiting. We have been waiting. They have been cleaning. They have been cleaning. They have been cleaning. Try a sentence with have or has, been plus ing. Write it in the comment, and I promise you, I will give you feedback on.